Thought I'd try something a little bit different today and do some vlogging style videos and see how they go. Got myself, whilst I'm doing some baking, got myself a Earl Grey tea. I think I see a theme going on with my water in my teacup. I like Disney, what can I say? Here's Chase trying to help me cook. He's not a very good cook. So today we're cooking date and walnut loaf. So I'm just sifting everything together. Riveting. That all done. Put some zinc. Let's see if I can find somewhere for you to sit. But I don't think there is anywhere good. So now next it says that we need to add the dates and the walnuts. Guess I should chop them. Sorry about the clunk. So, dates and the walnuts. And you need to put you down for that. To do some chopping. Sit you there. That's the right spot. We need half a cup of dates and half a cup of walnuts. One for me. Look like that half a cup. Let's see. Oh, that didn't work. Probably a few more. I'm also using a different camera to do this, so we'll see how it goes. My mobile's flat, so it's charging. Okay. Half a cup walnuts. And it's left on there. Now, I was going to get fresh dates, but they were ridiculously expensive. No, fresh is probably better. You got to work with what you can afford, so trying to be healthy. I figure a date and walnut loaf is probably better for me than making a chocolate cake. And get my sweetness. And a few more. Maybe more than half a cup. I'll make some protein. There we go. Alright. Just going to pick it back up. So that's all in there. Now it says to boil, heat the butter and water. Now, I'm going to do this and make the rest of this, and then I'll come back when it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, it's in the, oh, sorry, the light's not very good. There we go. It's in the pan. Pop it in the oven. In there. We'll set a timer and we'll see it in 40 minutes. Finished product. Looks pretty good. We've also got some Anzac biggies over here. And chocolate chip cookies in the oven. So we have chocolate chip cookies, Anzac biscuits, and date and walnut loaf. Yum.